back to my channel. For those of you who are here for the first time, welcome. My name is Catherine. In my house, I like to keep things in an organized way because it just makes my life easier. However, even for the best organization system, it has to be reviewed periodically to see if it still fits the purpose, because our life habits change over time. Therefore, today, please join me in reorganizing my wardrobe, and in the meanwhile, I'll be sharing with you 8 tips on how to get your wardrobe organized. First tip, categorization. This sounds so simple, but I bet you a lot of people just pile up everything they own without categorization. Always store the same types of clothes together. T-shirts always stay with other t-shirts and coats stay with coats. If you're constrained by space, at least categorize them by seasons. So at least at the end of each season, when you tidy up your wardrobe, you know where to find the next season's clothes. The second tip is use unified hangers. It is a very tedious point, but I promise you it makes such a difference. In our previous flat, we just use all the hangers we can find from various places, such as from dry cleaning or from shopping, and our wardrobe looked like this. But after we moved to this new house, I tossed away all the old hangers we have and got ourselves new hangers. For simple and light clothes, I just use this ivory colored non-slip hanger. It is also very narrow, so it allows me to hang more clothes in the same space. For coats and thick jacket, I use this wooden hanger. It is very solid, it holds more weight, and also it gives more support to the shape of the shoulder.
3. Use the right drawer divider, especially for underwear. Using dividers for drawers is not a new topic in space organization. However, you have to use the right divider according to what you are about to store. For example, my underwear drawer, I bought these dividers initially, but now after using them for a while, I found these are not ideal for underwear because the cells are too big for one pair of socks but too small for two. So let's take them away and try to use these new dividers to see if it gets better. Folding underwear properly is another area you probably want to get your hands on because it also helps with tidiness. There are a lot of ways to fold, and I don't think there is a right way. It works as long as it makes sense to you and it does look tidy. For me, I like to fold them like an envelope. You lie the underwear flat, fold both sides in, and fold the top up. And finally, insert this little bottom into the pocket here. In this way, the underwear is in a very good shape and it won't collapse when you put it vertical.
The fourth tip is a catch-all box for some wardrobe tools. In the corner of my wardrobe, I have this box where I store a roller, a scissor, a delicate spray, and a fabric shaver. For example, when I have new clothes, I can just use the scissor to cut off the label in here, or when I'm about to go out, when I'm getting ready, I can use this roller to do some cleanup on the surface of a coat. Fifth, use trouser hangers to hang trousers. For trousers, I like to hang them up so I can see which one is what, even for jeans. If you're like me, I suggest you to get this type of hanger to hang them up. This hanger is non-slippery as well, and it opens on one side, which makes it easier to slot the pair of trousers in. In addition to hangers, when you hang trousers, make sure the front side of the trouser facing outward of your wardrobe, because some trousers are narrower, some trousers are wider, which makes the back of the trouser a little bit different. However, the front always looks the same, so it makes it tidier if you hang the trouser like this.
6. Use organization box on the shelves to tidy things up. Shelves will always look messy if you pile up clothes on them because the clothes will collapse when you try to take one from the bottom. Therefore, I like to use organization box to store all the jumpers. When I need to take one, I just take the entire box off the shelf and pick the one I want. It won't mix up the rest. 7. Make use of storage box to make the most of the full height hanging area. Not every dress you own is a floor length one, therefore you always find some wasted space in the full length hanging area. Instead of just dumping things at the bottom of a wardrobe randomly, try to get some of these storage boxes to conceal our belongings.
Finally, spare some space in your wardrobe for worn clothes or clothes that you have only worn once. Some clothes will only wear them for once or twice and it does not need to be washed right away. For this type of clothes, you don't really want to put them back to the wardrobe with all other clean clothes because it is just not ideal. Therefore, spare some space in your wardrobe for these clothes. In our wardrobe, I spared 2 places. One is for myself and one is for my husband for worn clothes. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for joining me. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please give me a thumb up and consider subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to stay connected. Okay, I upload a video every Friday at 7 PM, so I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye!